Dear friends, this video describes about the best tips for operating construction equipment. Operating construction equipment requires skill, attention to detail, and a strong focus on safety. Here are some of the best tips for operating construction equipment effectively and safely. 1. Understand the equipment. A. Read the operator's manual. Familiarize yourself with the equipment's controls, capabilities, and limitations. B. Know the functions. Be aware of all the machine's functions, including emergency shutdown procedures and auxiliary controls. 2. Conduct a pre-operation inspection. A. Check fluid levels. Ensure proper levels of fuel, oil, hydraulic fluid, and coolant. B. Inspect for damage. Look for visible damage, leaks, or wear on parts like hoses, tires, and tracks. C. Test controls and safety features. Verify that all controls and safety features are functioning correctly, including brakes, lights, and alarms. 3. Use proper safety gear. A. Wear personal protective equipment, PPE. Use hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toed boots as required. B. Use seat belts and restraints. Always buckle up and use any provided restraints when operating equipment. 4. Ensure proper training and certification. A. Complete required training. Obtain the necessary certifications for the specific equipment you will operate. B. Participate in refresher courses. Regular training updates help keep your skills sharp and ensure you're aware of any changes in operation standards. 5. Maintain situational awareness. A. Be aware of surroundings. Continuously monitor your surroundings for obstacles, people, and other machinery. B. Use spotters if needed. When working in tight or complex areas, use a spotter to help guide you and communicate clearly. 6. Operate at safe speeds. A. Avoid high speeds. Operate at a controlled speed that allows you to react to unexpected changes in the environment. B. Slow down in hazardous areas. Reduce speed near trenches, slopes, or unstable ground. 7. Follow safe loading and unloading procedures. A. Stabilize the equipment. Ensure the equipment is on level ground and use stabilizers if needed. C. Check load capacity. Never exceed the equipment's specified load limits. D. Use proper techniques. Load and unload slowly, keeping loads balanced and secure. 8. Communicate effectively. A. Use hand signals and radios. Utilize standard hand signals or two-way radios to communicate with ground personnel. B. Establish clear protocols. Make sure all team members understand the communication protocols before starting work. 9. Avoid distractions. A. Stay focused. Don't use phones, headphones, or engage in other distracting activities while operating machinery. B. Minimize conversations. Keep non-essential conversations to a minimum to maintain focus. 10. Use technology tools. A. Leverage GPS and telematics. Use onboard GPS and telematics systems for precise movements and to track equipment performance. B. Employ safety features. Utilize safety features like cameras, sensors, and automatic shutoffs to enhance safety and efficiency. 11. Be cautious on slopes and uneven terrain. A. Ascend and descend slowly. Approach slopes directly and avoid turning or changing gears on a slope. B. Check for stability. Ensure the ground can support the weight of the equipment and avoid operating near edges or unstable ground. 12. Practice safe shutdown and parking. A. Follow shutdown procedures. Lower attachments to the ground, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine. B. Park in safe areas. Choose level ground away from work zones and ensure the machine is secure before leaving. 13. Adhere to load and lift limits. A. Check load charts. Know the equipment's load capacity and the weight of what you're lifting or carrying. B. Use correct attachments. Ensure that the attachments used are rated for the load being lifted. 14. Respect operating boundaries and zoning. A. Stay within marked boundaries. Avoid moving outside designated work areas to prevent accidents or damaging the environment. B. Observe safety zones. Maintain safe distances from other equipment and workers to prevent collisions. 15. React to weather conditions. A. Adapt to weather. Be cautious in adverse weather such as rain, snow, or fog that can affect visibility and ground stability. B. Postpone operations if necessary. If conditions become too hazardous, it's safer to pause operations until they improve. By adhering to these tips, operators can not only enhance their safety and efficiency but also extend the lifespan and performance of the equipment they use. Your experience in the field likely gives you an edge in implementing these practices effectively. Friends, we talked about best tips of operating the construction equipment in this video. Please use the comment box to share more information on the suggested topic for a plant and equipment engineer. We guarantee a 100% positive video upload on that subject. Please subscribe to our free YouTube channel, Inframechanizer.